thutha wa igoti nene kurugamia kwa ihinda ndundu iria irathuritwo ni president ya gũthũrima thiirĩ wa bũrũri. President William Ruto ni ateteire ikinya riake ria kumiumba. President augite aratacukite ikinya ria kumba ndundu ino ari njira ya kurumbuia mamwe ma mateta maria a Kenya mari namo na gũthũrima kana bũrũri ni wonete umithio kumana na ngombo iria ikombetwo. Igoti rirarugamĩtie ndundu yo thutha wa a Kenya atatu guthii igoti-inĩ makiuga president ni agararĩte gatiba kuona wĩra wa gũthũrima thiirĩ wa bũrũri uri rungu rwa mũthũrimi wa mathabu ma thirikari.
Which was initially committed to those which are eternal. We pray to you, who are Lord and God.
Kenya being the resilient people we always are, to come together and figure out the future of our country in a manner that makes sure that we address the existential challenges and threats that face our nation. And that's the reason why I set up a committee to work and audit our debt, for us to interrogate our expenditure, and for us to work on anti-corruption. I want to encourage Parliament to expedite the conflict of interest bill that will support our anti-corruption measures, especially in relation to public officers. And I am hopeful that these are some of the conversations that we will be engaged in going forward.